everyone. As you know, we are doing HTML language and HTML from grade 10th. So this is the next video in the HTML series, and in this video we will learn about the t-head, t-foot and t-body tags. So t-head, t-foot and t-body. These are the three tags which are used with the table. Now we will understand the meaning of the t-head. What is the t-head? T-head is table header. Whatever tables we had made, we can divide the table in the t head means header of the table we can define, and t-foot footer of the table, and t-body rows for the table body. Like here I am taking one example. In this I have two columns and five rows table. Fine. So here I written 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and A, B, C, D and E. Like this I have a table and I want to categorize or divide this table into different sections. So here I'll use these three tags. T-head means I want to keep these two rows in the table header. So I'll use t-head tag before the starting of first row, and after ending of the second row I'll close t-head tag. So whatever attributes I'll use inside t-head tag, these will be applied on these two rows. Like I can use the align attribute, bg color attribute to change the background color, and background attribute itself if we want to insert any image in the background. Align bg color background, or we can use the v-align attribute. Fine. So whatever attributes value we will give in t-head table header tag, these will be applied on these two rows. And if we select three rows in the table head, then the same formatting will be applied in these three rows. So we can use the t-head, t-foot and t-body tags to divide the table into different sections and to apply the same formatting to the table particular section. We can use all these attributes in all three: t-head, foot and body. And here we can check the values. Here we can check the value of v-align and align attribute. V-align means vertical alignment. This is the vertical alignment. Here we can give the v-align value top, bottom and middle. And if we talk about the align means horizontal alignment, means left, right and center. So this is the difference between the v-align and align. Like here you can see in this row 1 is written. So this 1 can be written over here in center or on the top. Anywhere it can be written. So to write it in the top, bottom or middle, we can use the attribute v-align. And if we want to place it, this text, this one in left side, right side or in center, so we need to use the attribute align. Now we will do the practical of all these three tags. So everyone, you know that to perform practical of HTML, we want to open the in Notepad. We can do the practical. Fine. Here I'll start Notepad, and already I made one simple table. So you can check HTML head title. If we want to give the title of the table, then we can use the title tag. Otherwise, no need to use. Directly we can start from the body tag. And inside body, one table I made. Table border I have given. Border value is 3. And different here you can see different rows. 6 rows are there. Fine. So we will divide these rows into the header, body and footer. Fine. So first I'll show you the output of the program. So to run the program, I need to open web browser. Here I open web browser Google Chrome, and the shortcut key Ctrl+O is the shortcut key to run any HTML file. Here I'll check my file that where I saved it, and if I open, then this is the file I made. Fine. So in this file I made this table, and on this table I'll apply now different attributes. So first I'll divide the table into different sections. Fine. Again need to open the notepad, and here we can use the attributes and tags and their values. Fine. First I'll use the t foot, and in t foot what I'll write, from where I need to check from where I want to start the footer, body and header. Fine. First we'll use the header, because from starting we need to start it. T had, and this is the first row. Before it I'll write T had, and in T had I'll use the attribute. Which attribute? Like if I want to change the BG color, background color, then BG color I'll write, and here value, and where I'll close this T had, like how many rows I want to include in table header. First and second row I want to include in this, so here I'll close the T had. Now we can check. I need to run the program, and we can observe the changes. So what should be changed in this? Like header rows color must be changed, background color. So you can check over here. 2 rows are given in table header, and if I close the table header after first row, I can cut and paste it here. So what changes will be done in the table? Only one row will be given as table header. Fine. So again I'll change its place, because I want to play 2 rows in the table header. Fine. Now second row we have taken in a table header. From third row we will start. Now body section we will start T body, and in T body also we want to change the background color, and which color I need to select, that which color I want to give here. Okay, so in this I can take any color of my choice. So you can also write by your choice any color. Fine. I'm writing here busy color, and which color? Yellow. I'll write yellow. Fine. And I need to save it. Same way, after the number of rows, how many rows I want to include in the body section, after that I'll close the tag. What is the tag? T body. T body matlab table body. Fine. And now again we'll run the program. Observe the changes. Fine. First 2 rows we are given in header. That's why background color is, which is the background color? Pink. And in body section, what is the use of these tag? Like how many rows we are taking inside the T body, T head, T foot. The complete formatting will be applied on these. Fine. Last is left. So I'll give T foot in this. T foot. And what color I'll give to it? T foot. Fine. We'll give it cyan color is equal to, and also need to close it here. This is the last row. T foot. Okay. So you can check over here. This table is divided into 3 sections. This is the header section. This is the body section and footer section. And here you can check T hat busy color is used. Here also we can use the align, v-align or background attributes. If we don't want to give any color in background, we want to place any picture, so we can write here background and give the location of the image as well as the name and extension of the image. In same way we can insert the background image. Fine. If we want to place the text in center, so here we can use the align, and what its value? Center we can give, because by default it is left. The alignment is by default left. So you can check the header, all the rows which we had placed in the header aligned center. Okay, and footer we can align right. So how we can align right? We will check T foot, where it is. T foot it is here. Align is equal to right. So can you tell me what changes will be? Footer data will be started from right side. Okay. Now left alignment, body section is left aligned, header center aligned, and footer is right aligned. Now we'll check what will happen if we change the T foot rows? Like if I write here T hat, if I write here T hat, fine, and I need to close it T hat because we have started here T hat, so we'll also close T hat, and these rows I need in footer, fine. So here I'll close T foot, save it, go to web browser, run it. What changes you can observe here? The rows what we had written in last of the program. These are the rows we had written in last footer data, but we have used here header. T head tag will give the rows in the header of the table. It will not check that these are written in last, in center, or on the top, but it T head know that whatever rows are written in between the opening and closing T head tag, these must be written on the header on the top of the browser window. So here you can check footer data is written inside the T head, that's why it is placed on the top. If you want to change header and body in footer and body, like you can place these two rows in the body table body. How it will be? Whatever tag you written here you can check whatever tag you have written here, T foot, here you can write T body, fine, we'll check it. T body we can write T body, and same tag we need to close T body, and here this T body we want to place in T foot because T had T body we have defined, and these we will write in T foot, and here also we need to write T foot. So what changes you will observe that this data, whatever data we had written in the body section, that will be shifted down. You can check it yourself. So friends, these are the three tags related to the table: T foot, T body, and T head. And what is the use of these three tags? These are used to place the different rows of the table to the particular section. Like T head tag is used to define a set of header rows. Like we want to give the header of the table. If we want to give the footer of the table or body of the table, then we can use the T foot, T body, and T head tag. And which attributes we can use? We can use the align, v-align, vertical alignment or alignment, or bg color and background to give the background color and image. We can use these tags. Fine friends, chapter 4 we have completed here. Now we will start the video for questions given in your new book Code 165 Computer Applications. You can check in chapter 4 page number 177, and there some tables are given. So we'll write code for these tables in next video, and these tables row span and col span is used. You can try these practicals yourself. You can write the code in laptop or desktop if you have. If you don't have, don't worry. In school you can do practical. Here you can watch the videos, or you can write the code in your rough notebook. Because friends, this code can be asked. Questions can be asked. Practical based questions must be given in board exam. You need to practice it. Okay everyone, in next video we'll check the code for next tables given on page number 177. You can read the questions, write code yourself, and you can ask the doubts. Keep watching the videos. Thank you everyone.